Hi guys, long time no vlog. Guys, listen to me. I've been trying to put on makeup for the past 3 hours and gosh, it's just been a fail, like literally fail. I don't know if it's the weather is just too hot or something like that, but no success at all. So I just have to go out without makeup on. It's fine, like it's not like it's a big deal or anything of that sort, but I'm even sweating. You know what? I'm just going to put on my mask. Guys, please let me know how you're supposed to wear this mask. Some people say you're supposed to wear it with this side facing or this side facing. I don't know, but I guess I don't want to look stupid because the other time I wore it with this side facing. I went to the supermarket and I met like an old friend. He was like, "Your mask, there's something wrong with it." So I was like, "No, they said you wear this way." He said, "No, it's supposed to be like this. Please let me know, okay?" Anyways, I'm gonna wear it like this and then we'll move on. Guys, I'm sweating so much. Can you hear me through this thing? And it's hot, guys. It's just too much. Okay, I want to quickly refill my sanitizer, so let me change the angle. What the hell just happened? Let me change the angle for you guys, okay? Okay, so I just regretted my bolt and it's on its way. I think it's like 1 minute away or something like that, so I'm waiting and then we'll go. I'm just how do you call it, I'm going to do my hair. I have a lot of things to do in town, like I'm bringing you guys along, okay guys? I look horrible in this thing. Anyway, hey guys, so this is edited me coming to you guys. I figured I'll do like a thought through, a voiceover, instead of just leaving the video like just playing background music for you guys. I figured I'll just do a bit of chit chat for you guys so that you enjoy the video much more. So here's the thing, I recently switched salons. I used to go to like the very local salons that use box cream and like all the locally made conditioner and shampoos, and I realized those products were not helping my hair at all. The thing is, they're really damaging my hair, especially with the relaxer process. Like the box creams would give me chemical damage, heat damage, and all of that. I would get like sore scalp and all that. And so about 6 months ago, I made a conscious effort to switch salons, and it really helped me. So nowadays when I go to the salons, I go to the professionals, and the salon I am going to now, I mean, with no specifications, just a salon close to my neighborhood that is a bit stepped up. I believe like most of them are like professionals in the salon, so I opt for that instead. And whenever I go to the salon, I only choose to use Affirm products or Mizani products, because these two products, they really help my hair really well. They Affirm relaxers, especially like when they use it to my hair, it doesn't give me chemical damage. I literally don't feel pain at all most of the time when they use these products in my hair. So that's just it's just a bit of backstory in case you're wondering what products the lady is using in my hair. No, I just wanted to give you guys a backstory about it. I mean, I just wanted to give you guys what it is. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. Okay, so I also wanted to mention, I know some people who watch my videos are not really from Ghana here or in Ghana here currently, so I just want to mention that the reason I'm able to go out is because the government has we are no longer under lockdown, and so you can actually go out, but with caution. You should wear a mask, like take all the precautions that you need to take. And I know it's not so wise or advisable to even want to go to the hair salon in this current time, like at this time that we're having this pandemic, but I really needed to go to the salon. Like, it's been almost 2 months since I stepped in the salon to do my hair, and I've tried doing my hair at home, but with no success. So I just needed that professional help. So I just wanted to get that out of there, like as a disclaimer, because I know some people would come for me in the comment section, like, you're supposed to be social distancing, why are you not there, and all of that. And I know the lady who was doing my hair did not wear a mask. I really don't know why. Like, it really egged me. Like, I was not so comfortable with her not wearing a mask, but I felt since I'm wearing mine, I'm fine. So yeah. So right from washing my hair, we went ahead to do the blow dry. Usually I opt for blow dry and straightening, just because I don't have the heart or the stress to be sitting under a hair dryer. Seriously, like, it gets boring. I hate it so much. So I always opt for blow dry instead. And in case you're wondering, I am 6 weeks post relaxer, and I intend relaxing my hair after 12 weeks or 16 weeks or so, if I could keep it that long, just in case you're wondering. I also went ahead to do my pedicure, and I fixed my nails as well. For my nails, guys, I've really been hating long nails nowadays. I just don't know what it is about me, but short nails or something in there, something that's a bit medium, is just what I opt for nowadays. And I've been so obsessed with red nails nowadays. I don't know what it is with me, red nails or nothing else. I've just been obsessed with red nails. So that's what I did at this salon, and everything looked nice, everything looked clean. As you can see, it looks so good. Then moving on, the other lady took care of my hair. She put my hair in a ponytail. I didn't want to leave the hair just like that because I'm just tired of having my hair out. I really wanted to do like a protective style without hurting myself. Usually protective style for people are like cornrows and rastas and all of that, but I didn't want to have anything disturbing my scalp at this point, so we just put the hair in a small ponytail and a very nice sleeked one. So yeah, that's it. Hey guys, so I just finished at the salon and I think I like my hair. It looks good. I actually intended to use this product. She said it wouldn't look nice, so she gave me like an extension instead. I think it's a straight hair or something like that. So yeah, it looks good. Okay, so when I left the house, I intended to go to from the salon. I wanted to go to this market to get some stuff, but here's the thing, it's already late, and I think yeah, it's already late. It's 7:52 right now, and I don't know if I can, if the supermarket is open. The supermarket I want to go to is it's not really far from here, but because of the pandemic they kind of close early, so I don't know. I'll still check it out. I'm also hungry, so I guess we'll just carry on from here. Yeah.